선녀와 나무꾼, The Fairy and the Woodcutter. 아주 오랜 옛날 일이에요. 한 마을에 나무꾼이 살았는데 나무꾼은 홀어머니를 보시며 부지런히 일했지요. 마음씨 착한 나무꾼은 산속 동물들도 좋아했어요. This is a story from a very long time ago. There once was a woodcutter living in a village. The woodcutter worked hard while taking care of his single mother. The kind-hearted woodcutter was also loved by the forest animals. 어느 날 나무꾼이 산속에서 나무를 하고 있을 때였어요. 사슴 한 마리가 헐레벌떡 뛰어오더니 나무꾼에게 다급한 목소리로 말했어요. 아저씨, 저 좀 숨겨주세요. 사냥꾼이 저를 잡으러 쫓아와요. 저기에 숨거라. 나무꾼은 뒤쪽 숲을 가리켰어요. 사슴은 얼른 숲을 속으로 들어왔어요. One day, the woodcutter was working the forest when suddenly a deer ran up to him. In an urgent voice, it said, Mister, please hide me. A hunter is coming to catch me. Quick, hide there. The woodcutter pointed to behind a bush. The deer quickly ran behind the bush. 조금 뒤에 사냥꾼이 뛰어왔어요. 방금 이쪽으로 도망친 사슴 못 보았소? 나무꾼은 태연하게 말했어요. 아, 그 사슴이요? 저 아래로 도망갔어요. A while later, a hunter ran up to the woodcutter. Did you see that deer that ran past here just now? The woodcutter said casually. Oh, that deer. It ran away that way. 사냥꾼은 주위를 둘러보더니 나무꾼이 말한 쪽으로 뛰어갔어요. 자, 이제 나오렴. 사냥꾼은 가고 보이지 않자 나무꾼이 사슴에게 말했어요. The hunter looked around and ran in the direction that the woodcutter had pointed to. You can come out now, said the woodcutter after the hunter had gone away. 고맙습니다. 제가 대신 소원을 들어드릴게요. 사슴은 은혜를 갚겠다며 소원을 물었어요. 그래? 내 소원이야 예쁜 섹시와 결혼하는 거지. 그러자 사슴이 말했어요. 보름달이 뜨면 산 꼭대기 연못으로 가보세요. 선녀들이 날개옷을 벗어놓고 목욕을 하고 있을 거예요. 그때 날개옷을 하나만 감추세요. 그러면 선녀는 하늘로 올라가지 못하고 결혼하게 될 거예요. 하지만 아이 셋을 낳을 때까지는 날개옷을 보여주면 안 돼요. Ooh, thank you. I'll repay you by granting you a wish, the deer said to the woodcutter. Really? Well, to speak of wishes, mine is to marry a beautiful woman. The deer replied, Well, when there's a full moon, go to the pond on the mountaintop. The fairies will be bathing with their fairy wing gowns off. Hide one of the gowns. The fairy will not be able to return to the sky without the wing gown and will have to marry you. But you must not give the wing gown back to her before having 3 children. 드디어 보름달이 뜨는 날이 되었어요. 나무꾼은 산 꼭대기에 올라가 연못 옆에 숨었어요. 정말이네? 보름달이 떠오르자 하늘에서 선녀들이 내려왔어요. 정말 예쁘다. 선녀들은 날개옷을 벗어 나뭇가지에 걸었어요. 그러고는 연못에 들어가 목욕을 하기 시작했어요. Finally, it was the night of the full moon. The woodcutter went to the mountaintop and hid next to the pond. Whoa, it was true. As the moon rose up into the sky, the fairies descended. Wow, they're so beautiful. The fairies took off their wing gowns and hung them on a tree branch. Then they went into the pond and started bathing. 나무꾼은 얼른 날개옷 하나를 감추고 다시 숨었어요. 달이 기울자 선녀들이 연못에서 나오고 선녀들은 날개옷을 입었어요. 하지만 막내 선녀는 날개옷을 못 찾아 발만 동동 굴렀어요. The woodcutter quickly hid one of the gowns and then hid himself again. As the moon started to fade, the fairies got out of the pond. The fairies began to put their wing gowns back on, but the youngest fairy couldn't find her wing gown anywhere. All she could do was roll her feet. 저런, 어쩌지? 조금 있으면 하늘문이 닫힐 텐데. 잘 찾아보렴. 선녀들은 막내만 남기고 하늘로 올라갔어요. Oh my, what shall we do? The gates to the sky will be closed soon. Try looking for it thoroughly. The older fairies left the youngest fairy and flew up into the sky. 혼자 남게 된 막내 선녀는 눈물을 흘렸어요. 선녀님, 이 옷을 입으세요. 그때 나무꾼이 미리 준비한 옷을 선녀에게 내밀었어요. 이 옷으론 하늘로 올라갈 수 없어요. 나랑 같이 살아요. 내가 행복하게 해줄게요. 선녀는 한참 나무꾼을 보더니 가만히 고개를 끄덕였어요. The youngest fairy left alone cried, Hey, Miss Fairy, you can wear these clothes. Right then the woodcutter held out the clothes that he had prepared beforehand. But I can't go back to the sky in these clothes, she sobbed. Live with me. I'll make you happy. The fairy looked at the woodcutter for a long time and silently nodded her head. 나무꾼과 선녀는 동물들에게 둘러싸여 결혼식을 올렸어요. 아이고, 우리 며느리 예쁘기도 하지. 나무꾼의 어머니는 선녀를 바라보며 흐뭇해했어요. 사슴은 벙글거리는 나무꾼에게 다가가 귓속말을 했어요. 아저씨, 잊으면 안 돼요. 아이 셋, 낳기 전까지는 절대로 날개옷을 보이지 마세요. 알았어. 걱정하지 마. 나무꾼은 대답을 하면서도 선녀만 바라보았어요. The woodcutter and fairy had a wedding surrounded by animals. Ah, my daughter-in-law. She's so beautiful. The woodcutter's mom looked at the fairy happily. The deer whispered to the happy woodcutter, Mister, don't forget. Don't show her the wing gown until you have 3 children. 3. Yeah. Okay, don't worry. But the woodcutter's eyes didn't budge from the fairy as he answered. 선녀를 아내로 맞은 나무꾼은 전보다 더 부지런히 일했어요. 나랑 결혼해 주어서 고마워요. 나무꾼은 선녀를 무척이나 사랑했어요. 저를 아껴주어서 고마워요. 선녀도 나무꾼을 사랑했지요. 선녀와 나무꾼은 그렇게 살면서 2 아이를 낳았어요. After the fairy became the woodcutter's wife, the woodcutter worked harder than ever. Thank you for marrying me. The woodcutter loved the fairy very much, and thank you for treasuring me. The fairy loved the woodcutter as well, and so the fairy and woodcutter lived together and had 2 children. 하루는 선녀가 하늘을 쳐다보며 한숨을 쉬었어요. 무슨 걱정거리라도 있나요? 나무꾼은 선녀에게 물었어요. 하늘나라에 계신 부모님과 언니들이 보고 싶어요. 그 말을 들은 나무꾼은 마음이 약해지고 말았어요. 사실은 내가 날개옷을 숨겼다오. 선녀는 시무룩해져서 말했어요. 저도 알고 있어요. One day the fairy gazed up at the sky and let out a sigh. What's the matter? The woodcutter asked the fairy. Well, I miss my parents and sister who are in the Sky Kingdom. After hearing this, the woodcutter couldn't control himself. To be honest, I hid your wings. The fairy became sullen and said, I know. 선녀는 눈물을 흘리며 애원했어요. 서방님, 날개옷을 한 번만 입게 해주세요. 마음씨 착한 나무꾼은 할 수 없다는 듯 날개옷을 가져다주고 말았어요. 내 날개옷! 선녀는 날개옷을 입더니 2 아이를 안았어요. 그러고는 두둥실 하늘로 날아올랐어요. 여보, 돌아와요! 나무꾼이 소리치며 따라갔지만 선녀는 점점 더 멀어졌어요. The fairy pleaded with tears rolling down her face. Husband, just please let me wear my wings just once. He couldn't take it anymore, so the kind-hearted woodcutter gave her back the wing gown. Oh, my wings! The fairy put on the gown and then took 1 child in each arm. Then she went up into the sky. Honey, come back! The woodcutter yelled after her, but the fairy moved further and further away. 나무꾼은 깊은 슬픔에 잠겼어요. 왜 내 말을 듣지 않았나요? 어느 날 사슴이 찾아와 말했어요. 보름달이 뜨면 산꼭대기 연못에 두레박이 내려올 거예요. 그 두레박을 타고 오르면 선녀님과 아이들을 만날 수 있답니다. The woodcutter became depressed. One day the deer came back to the woodcutter and spoke. Well, why didn't you listen to me? When the full moon rises, a well bucket will come down to the pond on the mountaintop. If you ride the well bucket up, you will be able to meet the fairy and your children. 나무꾼은 연못으로 갔어요. 보름달이 뜨자 정말로 하늘에서 커다란 두레박이 내려왔어요. 선녀들이 쓸 목욕물을 깃는 것이었어요. 나무꾼은 얼른 두레박에 올라탔어요. The woodcutter went to the pond, and as the full moon rose, a huge well bucket came down to the pond. It was a well bucket used to draw the water for the fairies' baths. The woodcutter quickly got into the well bucket. 하늘나라로 올라간 나무꾼은 선녀와 아이들을 만나 행복하게 지냈어요. 하지만 다시 슬픔에 잠기게 됐어요. 혼자 계신 어머니 생각을 하니 마음이 아파요. 선녀도 나무꾼의 슬픔을 알 것 같았어요. 그래서 나무꾼에게 날개가 달린 용마를 구해주었어요. 이걸 타고 어머니를 뵙고 오세요. 하지만 절대로 말에서 내리면 안 돼요. 나무꾼은 용마를 타고 집으로 가서 어머니를 만났어요. The woodcutter who had gone up to the Sky Kingdom was now living happily after reuniting with his children. Soon after, he was down in the dumps again. Just thinking about my mother. It's killing me, he said. The fairy felt empathy for him and gave the woodcutter a winged horse. Ride this to go see your mother, but you must not get off the horse. The woodcutter rode the horse to his home and met his mother. 어머니는 아들을 보자 눈물을 흘리며 기뻐했어요. 그러고는 마침 쑤어둔 호박죽을 떠가지고 왔어요. 얘야, 네가 가장 좋아하는 호박죽을 좀 먹고 가렴. 아, 뜨거! 나무꾼은 호박죽을 받다가 그만 용마에서 떨어지고 말았어요. 용마는 깜짝 놀라며 하늘로 날아가 버렸어요. 용마야, 돌아와! 나무꾼이 소리쳤지만 용마는 돌아오지 않았어요. When the woodcutter's mother saw him, she cried tears of joy. Then she dished him some pumpkin soup that she had just made. My child, please eat your favorite pumpkin soup and then you must leave. Ah! Oh my! It's so hot! He shouted as he took the pumpkin soup. Then he accidentally dropped it on the winged horse. The frightened horse flew up, and away. Ah! Winged horse! Come back! The woodcutter yelled, but the winged horse was gone. 그 뒤로 나무꾼은 선녀와 아이들이 보고 싶어 매일 하늘을 보고 울었대요. 죽은 뒤에도 수탉이 되어 하늘을 보며 울었대요. From then on, the woodcutter looked up at the sky and cried in grief, missing his children and wife. And after his death, he became a rooster and continued to weep to the sky every day. 우리는 오늘의 책을 통해 교훈을 배울 수 있었습니다. 소중한 사람을 속이거나 강제로 붙잡으려 하면 결국 모두가 상처를 받게 돼요. 진정한 행복은 서로를 믿고 존중할 때 찾아옵니다. 너무 많은 것을 욕심내다 보면 결국 모든 것을 잃을 수도 있으니 그것도 기억하세요. And through today's book, we can learn a life lesson. When you deceive or force someone you really care about, it only leads to hurting everyone. True love and happiness comes from trust and mutual respect. And remember, trying to take too much can often lead to losing everything in the end. 구독, 좋아요, 댓글은 저희 Green Lantern 동아리의 다음 전래동화 콘텐츠 제작에도 큰 힘이 됩니다. 영상 제작을 통한 수익금은 전에 기부됩니다. Subscriptions, likes, and comments directly support our Green Lantern Club in creating the next folklore content. All proceeds from our videos will be 100% donated.